First experiment, transparent polyethylene film. Cutting, number of repetitions, 1, speed 200 millimeters per second, a power 20%. Adhesion, number of repetitions, 8, speed 200 millimeters per second, a power 8%. Soldering turned out quite strong. Second experiment, white polyethylene film. Cutting, number of repetitions, 1, speed 200 millimeters per second, power 20%. Adhesion, number of repetitions, 4, speed 200 millimeters per second, a power 8%. Checking the strength of the solder. The result is satisfactory. Green plastic film. Cutting, number of repetitions, 1, speed 200 millimeters per second, a power 15%. Adhesion, number of repetitions, 5, speed 1000 millimeters per second, a power 9%. The polyethylene film was soldered at a sufficiently high speed. The soldered film was torn as well as its whole piece, which indicates its strong connection with each other. Polyethylene soldering results on a CNC 3018 10W plus Co2 Endurance lasers machine. Number of repetitions, 1, speed 1000 millimeters per minute, a power 1%. Number of repetitions, 4, speed 1000 millimeters per minute, a power 1%. Number of repetitions, 4, speed 1000 millimeters per minute, a power 3%. Number of repetitions, 2, speed 1000 millimeters per minute, power 5%. Number of repetitions, 4. Number of repetitions, 4. We decided to try an alternative way to solder weld the material using a CO to 10,600 nanometers, 80-watt laser with a galvo scanner. Number of repetitions, 5, power 10. Number of repetitions, 5, power 10. Number of repetitions, 4, speed 700 millimeters per minute, a power 10%. The results obtained demonstrate the effectiveness of the technology. The thickness and color of the polyethylene affects. Voice generated by Uberduck.